Hey guys, it's Heather. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom, so I figured I would turn on the camera and show you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do like a maintenance declutter. So I'm going to go through everything, toss anything that's expired, toss anything that I'm not using. I'm going to go through my makeup, I'm going to go through my nail polish, and I am going to be giving my bathroom a deep clean. So I'm going to clean like the vanities, and I'm going to clean the shower, the floors, the whole thing. I have a new shower cleaner that I have been absolutely loving to clean the marble in my shower. It works amazing. It works so good. So I'm gonna be using this today. And then I also picked up these Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom. They're flushable wipes, although I am not going to be flushing them. I'm just gonna toss them. It's been very difficult to get your hands on disinfectant wipes. So I saw these and I thought that they were perfect to just like leave in each bathroom. So I wanna try these out. So I invite you to join me and clean with me. Hopefully it'll be less painful if we do it together. So if you're gonna do this with me, let me know down below in the comments. So let's get started. I'm gonna jump into just going through everything and then decluttering anything that I am no longer using. Here's everything that I got so far. So I'm just gonna put everything into this box for now. And then at the end, I can just toss it. So a lot of this stuff is either old or I just don't really like it or it's expired. But most of it is just kind of getting old and I need to replace it. So this is just my extra stuff. So like my backups and things like that. I had got this, I think like over Christmas. One palette I had, so it's still sitting in here and it's never been used. So it's completely brand new. So I think that I'm going to give this away to someone because I do not need just to hang on to it for two of them. So I'm gonna set that aside. Everything else I'm using, so just like backups of like lip products and some sponges and a couple of palettes that I like. So I'm gonna hang on to all this. Just probably have to organize it a little bit better. And these are my favorite nails, in case you didn't know, but I love using these nails. Gonna quickly check these. I think that I have a couple like duplicates. I can toss one. That one I'm gonna get rid of. I think everything else I use pretty much all the time. This one I have an extra of. All right, now that I have everything kind of out of the way, anything that I'm gonna get rid of, I am gonna move on to wiping down the counters, cleaning the sinks. I'm gonna clean inside the cabinets and inside the drawers. So I'm just gonna use the Method surface cleaner. This stuff is really nice. I'm just gonna pull everything out and give it a really good clean.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. Is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Make you mine, make you mine. Baby, show me how. Make you mine, make you mine. Baby, show me how. Make you mine, make you mine. Baby, show me how. Make you mine, make you mine. Baby, show me how.
All right, so I got everything cleaned out and wiped down. So now I'm gonna move on to like vacuuming, mopping, cleaning the counters, sinks, and all that kind of thing. Just to break it up, I'm gonna do the vacuuming and the mopping first. I just wanted to make a quick comment here on these wipes. I do think they're great for like a quick wiping, like just to leave in a bathroom or if you're traveling somewhere, or to maybe even keep in your bag with you if you're going out, something like that. But I will say that they are very flimsy and fragile, so you have to be very careful when you use them, especially when you take them out of the package. But I do think they're really great at cleaning the toilet, and they're very effective. They work very, very well. So for the shower, I've been loving using the Dawn spray foam. So I just give everything a really good clean, remove everything off the surface. So then when I go in with the marble mildew cleaner, it can really get in there and get to the source of the stains and kill any of that mold and mildew that's left over on the surface. So after I do the Dawn dish soap, I rinse everything out with water. You never want to mix any chemicals. So once it's all cleaned off, then I go in a little bit with that mold and mildew cleaner. I just started using this. This is great, although it is pricey, but it's definitely well worth it. So it is safe for any natural stone, so marble, granite, etc. And it's perfect at cleaning the bathrooms, and you just spray it on, let it soak for like 10 minutes, come back, and it is perfectly clean and clear. You might have to do a little scrubbing here and there, but I've really found that I just leave it on and it works perfect. So the last thing I'm gonna do is clean the glass with that Method glass cleaner. My glass was not too built up with like soap scum, so I was able to just clean it with the glass cleaner, except for the bottom there. I just get in there with a little bit of Dawn dish soap and water just to remove that film, and then I go in with the Method cleaner after, and my glass comes out perfectly clear. Alright, so that is it. It is dark now. I've been working at this for quite a while, so I apologize if the lighting is horrific. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below. I know a lot of you watch my videos, but you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe. That would help me out a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.